Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a BioLink website on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the website section next to the prints button and search the BioLink website. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the Uploads button. And here you can upload images and videos to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, stickers, shapes, charts, and more. If you want to add the text to your project, just go to the text button, and here you can add text. Go to the add the text box and you add the text, and you can search different type and examples. If you want to draft to your project, just go to the draft section and just draft to the canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change a picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button and select a picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. If you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the newly bold text type name at the bottom of the upper side of the screen, and here you can search different text style and the font type. Just select one and step on it. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon, and in the animate section next to the effects button you can add animation to your text, and in the effects section you can add different effects to your text, for example shadows and particular shapes format. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.